Hi everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to use Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app to get started. So as you can see, the Home tab is your main dashboard. You can check your crypto balances, send, receive, buy, or sell coins all from one place. Next, tap on Trending to see which coins are moving up or down in value. It's a great way for keeping an eye on market trends. Next is we have to head to swap to exchange one crypto for another. You can select your tokens, confirm the swap, and make sure that you have a little crypto for fees. So in the Earn tab, you can stake eligible coins and earn rewards over time, like earning interest on your crypto. And finally, explore the decentralized apps like NFTs, games, and DeFi platforms in the Discover section. It's your gateway to Web3. And that's it. You're all set to manage your crypto and dive into the decentralized world all in one app. Thanks for watching.